Welcome back to Burger. As you can see, we've got the low and slow kit going again on the wildfire grill. Now this time we're doing something a little bit different. I've got some sirloin strips with the fat cap on skewers, salt and pepper, and then we're gonna do something fancy with them at the end. But right now, we're just gonna get them on the grill. We're also using Blues Hog all natural briquettes in a snake-like pattern with some pecan wood chips. And that's what's giving us this beautiful, beautiful smoke coming up. And it's just gonna cook slow and let the fat cap drip down the sides of the sirloin. Let's get cooking. And we're not doing anything fancy here. We're just gonna salt them up real nice and good. We're gonna let the beef do the talking and the fat do the talking. And then we'll do something special at the end to sear them off. Now, since these are a little skinny, they're gonna be kind of tricky to get in the grill and help them stand up tall. I'm gonna kind of make a little contraption here so they all use each other to stand up. There we go. I don't know, it kind of looks like a logo of some sort. It's kind of like a steak A. Join the Burger Pyramid. You've got a good personality. You'd be perfect for what I'm doing now. Gonna hit the fat cap with some salt too. Watching the clouds. There we go. We often watch how they got so high and dreamt as they went by. But we got older, caring about the time, wondering how those memories got lost along the line. We've been cooking for about 40 minutes. Just want to pop in here and see what temp we're looking at. Now I got my handy dandy meat thermometer. This is the Thermapen. Now this is the instant read one. Don't buy the cheaper ones. Invest in a much nicer one that tells you the temperature of the inside of your meat immediately, so you don't have to sit there and wait and watch all the numbers just count up. But anyway, let's go check it. The world seems so kind. 100, 100, 100. Okay, we're sitting at 100 in case you were confused. We're pretty much done now. We're ready to go sear these off and add some more flavor to these smoked coulottes. Now, while these may be some of the skinnier sirloin caps, or picanha, some people call them, there was just under 2 pounds here, and it was only $14. So if you're looking for a ton of flavor and not a ton of money, sirloin caps are the way to go. Just cook them a little slower, let that fat drip down on top of them, and they're gonna blow your mind. Now for the fun part, Chef Firestone's homemade bone marrow butter. Now I've been letting this stuff come to room temperature. Now normally you would slice sideways off the meat. We're still gonna do that, but I wanna do a nice sear on these with the bone marrow butter. Put some of this on each of them and let it kind of melt over. And while we're doing this, we're heating up our cast iron pan on the stove. Herbe de Provence. That meat is so delicate, but I am excited. Wow, that smell is insane. Oh man, now the aroma from the herbs just kicked in. We don't want to overcook them. Not the best sear, but I don't want to overcook these. I just want to hit them with a little bit of heat and that bone marrow butter with the herbe de Provence finish. All right, let's cut these steaks. I'm gonna hold it like this so that I can cut it like it's intended, the long ways with the fat cap down. Ooh, that is pretty and so juicy. All right. And just look at the color in the juice here. It's just dripping. Oh boy, that's pretty good. Oh boy, that's a home run. I don't want to be like Gordon Ramsay, do all this cooking and then not take a bite of the food that I just cooked for you. So cheers. That's a winner. Whoa, tons of flavor. Like I said, cheap and tons of flavor. Just cook it a different way. That's all you gotta do. Look at this. It's just dripping. Oh my goodness. Just look at the juice. You pick it up and it just rains juice. Oh my goodness gracious. Such a savory taste from that Firestone's bone marrow butter. This is a crazy good combination. The herb de Provence hits you in all the right ways. This is going to blow you away.